Hi sweet friends, welcome back to Mary's Nest. Today we're heading over to the town of Wimberley. It's in the Texas Hill Country that we call home, and we thought we'd take you along with us. The first thing we're going to do is go have lunch at the Leaning Pear. It's a cute little restaurant right on the Cypress Creek. And then after that we're going to go thrifting, and then after that we're going to stop at the olive oil ranch. And yes, we do grow olives here in Texas, especially right here in the Texas Hill Country, which is filled with wineries, olive ranches, thrift shops, lots of great restaurants, B&Bs. It's just a wonderful place if you ever get a chance to visit. It's also got beautiful rolling hills covered with lots of green trees and also beautiful lakes. We're here at the Leaning Pear, and I think I'm going to have the panzanella salad, and I'm going to get it topped with chicken. That'll be a great lunch. My husband's thinking of the chicken salad, but you never know, because once we look at the menu, see what the daily specials are, we might think of something else. But this is a lovely restaurant right in the heart of Wimberley, and it's a beautiful day. Just gorgeous blue skies, just a few little puffy clouds, and it's October, and we're finally starting to get a little bit of a feel of fall weather, and it's a lovely breeze, and we're just having a great day. So this is the Leaning Pear. It's right on Cypress Creek, and we're here early, so it's nice. I can film it, and it's pretty quiet, and you can just get a nice view of what this restaurant is like. They have a nice, diverse sort of Americana-style menu with salads and pizzas and some entrees, meatloaf, things like that. It's a lovely little restaurant, and it's so peaceful being right on the creek here. Nice and green. It's a beautiful day. It's got a nice little bit of coolness, a little bit of a breeze. Well, I stuck with the panzanella salad topped with chicken. I think it's going to be delicious. I love panzanella salad, and it's a wonderful way to use up stale bread if you're making one at home. So one day I'll have to make one of those for everybody and see what you think. We're just browsing around at Star Antiques, and now we're going to walk down the road a little farther to the Village Thrift Shop. oil, it's 50% off today. Seems like we came on the right day. Well, we had a wonderful lunch at the Leaning Pear, and we're finished thrifting all over Wimberley, and now we're going to head over to the Bella Vista Ranch, which is an olive oil ranch, or an olive ranch here in the hill country, and they decant beautiful olive oil, and I'm looking forward to buying some local olive oil there. Well, we're at Bella Vista Ranch. This is right outside of Wimberley. It's a winery and an olive ranch. And you can see the beautiful vineyard behind me. And then over there, if you see over here, they've got all the olive trees growing. Plus they've got a lot of little olive trees just all around the main house as well. Over this way. You can see all the olive trees growing here just around the main house. And we're going to go into the tasting room and see what they've got today. And I'm looking forward to buying a little olive oil, locally grown and bottled right here in the Texas Hill Country. I just wanted to bring you up a little closer so you can see all the olive groves over here. It's really quite delightful. It's such a peaceful, beautiful place. And over here, that's the tasting room where we're going to go in and see what wines they have, what olive oils they have, and just enjoy that. Well, we had a wonderful tasting. We tasted all the different varieties of olive oil they have. They're actually harvesting right now and pressing the oil. And we had wonderful tasting. It tasted all their extra virgin olive oils as well as their extra virgin olive oils that are flavored. And I bought this one that's extra virgin olive oil cold press that is flavored with the basil. It was so delicious. They also had a blood orange and a Meyer lemon and a few others. Everyone was good. But I reined myself in and I got this basil one, which I'm looking forward to using as a dipping sauce as well as drizzling over some salads. I think it'll be wonderful. Well, we had a wonderful time here at the Olive Ranch. Now we're back in the car and getting ready to head out, and we're going to head home now. Well, be sure to check the description below where I'll put a link to the Bella Vista Ranch if you decide you'd like to order some olive oil from them and have olive oil for yourself from the Texas Hill Country. Well, we hope you enjoyed visiting the town of Wimberley with us today here in the Texas Hill Country. And if you did, be sure to give us a thumbs up and share this with your friends. And don't forget, subscribe to my channel if you like visiting the Texas Hill Country and also learning how to cook from scratch and make home remedies as well. Well, I look forward to having you join me again right here in the Texas Hill Country. Love and God bless. Before you go, be sure to check out these other videos as well. I think you'll enjoy them. And don't forget, subscribe to my channel, click on the little notification bell below. That'll let you know every time I upload a new video. Well, that's all. See you later. Bye-bye.